How to watch TikTok without account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can use your TikTok without an account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use TikTok without an account, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. And once you launch the TikTok app, you will see this type of interface where you can see I'm successfully being able to actually watch TikTok without logging into my account. So if I come to my profile page, you can actually see that I'm not logged in, but I can still watch TikTok, which means that you don't need an account to watch TikTok. You can just use TikTok in that way without doing anything. You can also like a certain particular TikTok video, but you need to understand that if you want to make a comment or maybe repost or share it or anything, then in that case you need an account, but just to watch you don't really need an account on TikTok. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.